Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about this Cica cream that I got from Meebak. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've been looking for a while now for a cream that is anti-aging and also very moisturizing. And this cream, like right here, this face cream is amazing. This makes my skin feel so soft and smooth. Right here in the back, you have the key ingredients, which are amazing ingredients. The first one is retinol, and then Centella Asiatica. I've heard this ingredient is really good for shooting, the skin, and if you have irritations as well. It has the side hyaluronic acid that I don't know how to say, but hyaluronic acid with retinol is supposed to be really good for you too. And it has peptide. This has amazing ingredients, guys. I wasn't expecting to like this face cream as much as I do. It feels really, really good on my skin, and I can see the next day how soft and like less irritated my skin looks. So let me show you the consistency of this cream. If you have oily and acne prone skin, I don't recommend you using this. It might irritate your acne a little bit because this is more like a thick lotion, as you can see. I'm going to apply this on my hand so you can have an idea. So it feels a little sticky, but then it kind of goes away. For me, my skin feels so dry right now, especially where we live. This is perfect. So you have normal to dry skin, you're probably going to love this. If you have oily and acne prone skin, you can give it a try and see if your skin likes it, if you like it. But I wouldn't recommend this for oily skin. I use this cream in the morning and night before bed, and sometimes after I finish working out and I have to take my shower and wash my face, I reapply it in the afternoon as well. And yeah, love it. It has really, really good ingredients in this. A lot of people like this brand. That's why I purchased it, and yeah, I love it as well. I'll be using this for a while.